Right, here we go folks. Test drive one of the status pod electronics. Okay, switching on. Okay, first thing to come on the right hand side you see two lights, two light patches. That's the upper and lower lamps. Okay, first touch of the credit card. Purple display, just for showing off the tube. Second touch. Okay, now we start the sequence. I'm not sure how good that's going to show up. You'll notice there's some red in there as well. Yeah, ignore that. That's a small change that's going to be made. But we just ramp up the blue rotating effect. And so we have a constant speed there. Okay, that's the normal stasis situation. Okay, next dab of the credit card. If I can see in the dark, there we go. Now we're into emergency mode. Flashing red, as you can see, and if you notice the two lamps on the right hand side, they are randomly flashing to simulate broken tube lamps or whatever. And another pass with the credit card, and we're back to the normal start position again. Effectively rinse and repeat from there on. So purple mode, blue mode, which will ramp up but you can interrupt it at any time. Emergency mode, back to normal again, and unplug the USB lead and it goes out. So there we are chaps, first indication of lights.